I haven't ridden this on a ride at all yet. I've only just been around there on it this morning.
You have to excuse these bikes that we've come on. It's just we're on holiday. If we wanted some bike, we could just leave lying out around. So
You're down the ramp here. I'll build my own ramp.
Need a bit of clearance.
No entry. We're going there now?
Yeah, we go that way. Out the... yeah, follow Jerry. Jerry across the road there.
Be careful down there, guys, because there's going to be races coming back in, okay?
Okay.
Watch all the riders, guys.
Oh, I'd have that.
Oh, watch these cones.
Well, I'm the ME.
I don't want to risk that barrier.
Have a photo of that. That is amazing. Thank you.
And the barrier. Whoa! I have to watch these barriers.
Yeah, be careful.
Right. Is it clear? Good on you.
Guys.
Swap around, eh? Swap around, eh?
Standing starts. And so I've got
Well, they did. There was people, a couple of people who were really up on it. One was Hilary Stone, and also this bloke called Sunday Lowe. He was the organiser, but I don't think he does it anymore.
Well, that worked.
You can't pop a wheelie on.
my neighbour's guy, and I came across him. His son had seen him in the shed, and although I talked to him about cycling, he never mentioned this frame there.
Yes.
And so they were trying to clear out the shed and say, "Oh, I want this oak table to put in the shed." And I saw the bike.
Yeah.
So I went back.
Yeah.
When I saw the extra frame on it, and the extra tube on it, I thought, well, I don't know what that is, but
She was confused, that woman. What am I seeing? Yeah.
but unfortunately, I tried.
So what are the dropouts like? Are they really crudely cut? Just basically crudely cut out of that tape?
They do seem a bit kind of like that.
Yeah. Because mine, unfortunately, my Odyssey Third has like campag dropouts on this 1943 bike.
Oh.
So somebody's obviously changed it. I did, and then I was looking on this cheap cheerful box I've got in the shed.
Gonna push to get up here.
Oh, well done. Weird building.
Yeah, it is.
It's sort of
Part of the church,
old,
isn't it? Looks like
yeah.
it's got all different dates all around it.
Bit of grinding wheels stuck into the walls. What they used to
Somebody's got a camera that they can take a picture and send it to Brian Hardy, because I haven't. Otherwise it will just be a report of no pictures.
Zoe, what do you want?
He wants
Picture
a
for all of us.
photo,
Come on, then,
yeah.
get in there.
But you have to hide your bike, Isabel. You can't have your hand.
Of course you can. It's all part of the.
Yeah.
We look spread out. We're going to have to get a bit more.
On Jerry's list.
On this top.
On the tandem.
Oh, come on, Gareth. No,
Gareth!
come on, Gareth. Over here.
Take a few, as many
You'll
as you
have to
like.
hold your bike now.
No, go on, you're all
All
right.
right. This is my lang
Can you get us all on?
This
Are
way.
you ready? Smile. Okay, taking a couple, yeah? Thank you. We're Hereford Section Veteran Cycle Club. Supposed to be old bikes, not old fellas. But
Yeah, it's the bikes that are better.
that's a modern one.
Mike Jones, he's got a tricycle.
Mike
Yeah,
Jones,
Mike
yeah.
Jones, he's got a Higgins trike.
Yes,
Right.
he does.
He sometimes comes out with us.
Oh yeah, he does. Yeah, yeah, that's my dad.
Is it? Really? Nice to meet you. Really? I'll tell him that next time we see him.
Yeah.
Mike, I can't think.
Want to try this?
He does, yeah. You don't see him very often, but yeah.
Yeah, he was out the
Yeah,
other
he's
week,
growing.
Yeah, I
not
missed
long
him,
ago.
yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, well.
Oh, very good.
mention that.
Well, I started that because
yourself.
there can't be that many groups that
Trainers,
have a penny pass, is it?
Well, that's a modern one, mind you, isn't it?
Yeah, it's modern, yeah.
Yeah, definitely. Right, thanks a
Oh,
lot.
lovely to meet you.
Thank you.
Indeed.
That way.
Out of the village and follow our route back. Okay, all good.
Yeah.
Surprised I
Boring
didn't get
bit,
it.
the bit I hate doing. Do I do it as soon as I get in to get rid of it, or?
You've done very well then, thank you people. You've,
Well, thank you, Mike.
oh,
Come again on a
Very
ride.
impressed.
yeah, well, when I'm looking at the flattish route. Yeah, no steep hills,
The trouble
trees.
is, where you are, there's not many flat roofs.
No, I'll go out and train.
Yeah.
The Bill Wells one.
I'm trying to think what's next. I can't think.
Well, yeah, up the valley road. There's a couple of sort of steepish bits, but generally it's okay. But there's a few bits.
So nobody wants to have another
The
go.
Wye Valley Road.
Tempted. I don't want to damage it if I come off.
How do
I'm not
you?
worried about me, but
So this is about 25 miles. Is that good for you? Or?
Yeah, I do a bit more,
Yeah.
so it's a
what
little,
sort of
when it's flat,
Yeah.
flat, it's push.
But you run along
Go on,
and then you
Gareth.
jump on it, don't you?
put your foot on the.
One foot on there like a scooter.
Yeah.
You've got to be, yeah.
Go on.
No, not the rock. Don't put your
Left
left.
foot.
And then scoot along, jump on.
Yeah.
No thanks.
Hey mate, here we go, get the camera out.
I'll scoot. I'm not going to get on it. I'll just see what it feels like.
Yeah, that's a good.
It's like as a start. Keep your hands on the ends because that's more control.
Oh, right. Oh yeah.
So
It's quite big.
yeah.
It's big. Isn't it?
Oh no.
Yeah.
No, I don't. It's probably best not.
Well, do you want to climb on and try it? Climb on.
Well, how do I get off then?
Well, I'll stop and then just put one foot down. I'll hold on to the bike.
I'll hold on to the
You
bike.
put your foot on that one and then go up on.
Yeah,
You can do
I know
that.
the
You can do
theory.
the 2 steps. I do the 1.
Oh, on the big one.
So if I go
Yeah.
on here, right, you're on your bike,
Yeah.
not
Yeah.
there,
Yeah.
then go on to the other one, or
Well, you can do, or you can go straight onto the saddle. Straight onto the saddle. Yeah, you're on. Don't push hard, and don't do big turns. Gentle. Gentle. Come round to your left. Round to your left.
yeah.
Very gentle, because you'll rub on your trousers.
No, I don't think so. I want to get off now.
Okay, left foot back. Or right foot back. There you go, you're on
Oh,
it.
that far back?
You're on it, you're on it. And off.
That'll never catch on.
Were you that pale before you started? Yeah. Oh, perfect. I need to look away.
Well done.
Surely it'd be easier to start on the smaller one. The smaller
The little mini one. Yeah, yeah, well. Depends what you want.
But then it'd be difficult to ride because your legs would hardly be moving.
It's such a different thing to a bike, isn't it? Such an experience.
All right, gents.
Yeah.
Thanks for the ride. Thanks for attending.
Thanks
Very
for
nice.
organising it.
There was well, didn't go wrong too many
What
times.
vehicle,
I
have you,
don't think.
what vehicle are you in to get this in? What do you,
Yeah.
what is
I've
it?
got a
Car or-
Toyota with a proper fuel bike rack.
Oh, on the back, right.
But I've added a bar
Ah, I got you, yeah.
so that it holds the top of this.
How much of the tyre replacement? Well, you wouldn't bother, you'll never
They're
wear
not
it out.
expensive.
Aren't they?
No.
I think it would be, wouldn't it?
He says, I'll send you one if you need one, but you just roll it on and it locks
yeah.
in.
Yeah, solid.
Yeah.
No punctures.
Nah.
Yeah, that's a bonus, isn't it?
Good. I'll see you again.
Yeah.
Yeah.